Vikings, best football team ever created on God's green earth. Hey, it's part 2, man. We're still here. Titans, or Buccaneers and whatnot, and the Bengals, man. Don't nobody even like the Bengals. Alright, I digress. Personalized license plates. Oh, there you go. That's from a Canadian friends right there, brother. And them's from my hillbilly friends right there. And there's for my Tea Party friends who I don't have any of. Gotta have the magnets. Supporting the troops. Huh. Lanyards, beer cozies, books, CDs, DVDs. That is an official duster. How much is this duster? This full length. Shit, son. $119. Too rich for my blood. It's a good looking guy right there. Oh. Workman jackets, track pants, hats in all sorts of various colors, belts. Rebel flag belt. What does that say? We shall rise again. CSA, or the Confederate States of America. That's cute. Keep on dreaming, buddies. Keep on dreaming. Really classy belts, backpacks, briefcases. Oh, fuck. Oh, goddamn cowboy boots. Oh, it's definitely too rich for my blood. $139. I wish I could, but I can't. That's nice. It's like almost a faux snakes. Oh fuck! I like cowboy boots. I really do. I'm not just bullshitting with you. I honestly like cowboy boots and don't have enough of them. Ooh, how about some some of these, man? That's some fucking... That's good. I'd wear that shit to the Dominatrix Club. Look at that little chain. Cowboy boots are some of the best boots for kicking a man in the nuts. Like, undeniable fact. Cowboy boots are ballin'. Oh. Okay, guys. I am never been in here. I am showing you this store for the first time ever. You know, this shit's new to me. Like, I just got my mind fucking blown, son. Like, no bullshit. Alright. This isn't the mind-blowing part, but I'll show it to you anyways. Headlights and stuff, you know? Only $319.99 a pair. There's a full-size dolled up semi-truck inside this world's largest truck stop. I mean, it's... Oh, looks like it's got a whole bunch of America. Look at that. You got the Grand Canyon. You got them wind farms. You got the Golden Gate Bridge. You have Mount Everest. You got New Mexico. You got a cowboy guy. You got shiny wheels. Lights everywhere. Oh, that's nice. Bison. A jet flying through the air. Mount motherfucking Rushmore. Without Dan Henderson's face. I don't know what that's about. I-80. Churches. Big old shit. Steamboats. More trucks. The American way. Oh, semi-truck with John Deere tractor. That's one of them semi-trucks hauling cattle or pigs and shit. That's motherfucking Chicago right there, man. Best city ever made on God's green earth. Chicago. Goodyear blimp. I don't know what the fuck that is. Power lines. I got some moo-moo cows. Oh, and then it got milk. That's pretty smart. That's smart. There's a dirty old New York City. Wishing they were Chicago. No, is that New York City? Yeah, that's New York City. There's some of that. More big ass shit. Truck with I Love Chrome. A lighthouse. Statue of Liberty. The, what is that? Washington, is that Memorial Cemetery, the National Cemetery? Ooh, I feel bad, I should know that. Back of the truck. Ain't that the damn truth? And like I say, this is not what blew my mind. I saw that this big truck was here. Like, okay, that's cool. What blew my mind is down the other way. Got any bass guitars? Yes, sir, they do. They got a 5-string bass guitar. What's the damage on this puppy? Hey, if you gotta ask, you can't afford it, right? That's nice, though. Oh, man, I really wish I had money. I have $7 right now. That's not enough, but... Oh, is there more on the other side? Hell's bells. I'm going to have to literally make a 3-part video about this biggest fucking truck stop. I hope you guys appreciate this, because you know I don't really make long videos. Super truck showroom. Look at the lights, man. This truck is decked out, you know, to the tits. But, alright, let me go ahead and turn off part 2 of this gigantic fucking truck stop. What's up, bruh? And let me just show you what fucking blew my mind about this truck stop.